Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to change name, icon and description for your Roblox game. So for that you need to enter into your Roblox studio. Over there your gameplay. On your game you need to click home option at the top and then settings. Over the game settings you can change your name and your description and the game icon. You can change the entire thing whatever you need. So yeah, you can change the icon over here and based on the following format like jpg, jpg and png. So this is how we can change the name, icon or description in Roblox game. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube and don't forget to save that. Yeah, bye bye.